So you want to earn a passive income online, right? Well, how do you do it? What are the steps you must take? What are the business models that actually work? What are they? Well, in today's video, what I want to do is I want to show you how to earn a passive income online and show you 3 business models that you need to know. Now, before we get into these 3 different business models that I guarantee you need to know in order to earn a passive income online, I first want to answer one question. What is a passive income? A passive income is an income generated without constant or real-time presence. So what I mean by this, let me give you an example. Let me give you a story. So let me talk about one of my YouTube channels. Not this one, a different one. On this YouTube channel, I talk about a specific type of product. It's a fitness related product. And this video that I did, I created back in I think 2016. This video continues to sell a certain product. So this would be an example of a passive income. Here's the reason why. It's generating a constant income. I keep getting a small income from it. It may not be a lot, but it's a small income. So it's constant. Okay? I'm not putting in any additional work, which also means, okay, that I am not doing any real-time work. There's no real-time presence of mine associated with this channel or this video. And I continue to make sales. So because of that, it's a passive income. Now, let me give you a tip. Let me give you a reason why the majority of people that look at online businesses as a way to make a passive income, here's the reason why so many are unsuccessful. The majority of people coming into online business think, okay, I don't know why, but they think that if they do one thing, just one thing, put up a YouTube video and it's going to be successful, it's going to be viral, it's going to make them a lot of money. Or they throw a website together in minutes, plagiarize all the articles, throw them on a website, right? Put some pictures, add some links, and they're going to start making a passive income. That's not how it works. Passive income takes time. This is one of the reasons why so many people fail, is because they think, I can just put something together, it's going to make some money, I'm going to make a passive income. That's not how it works. So, without further ado, let's talk about the 3 business models you need to know when it comes to making a passive income online. The first business model is doing product reviews. Now, I do this all the time on all my other YouTube channels. This is the majority of how I make my money on YouTube, is by doing simple product reviews. Now, I'm not going to go into how I create them. If you want to learn more about that, you can go and join one of my courses. I'll put links down in the description box below to the 2 of them. One is affiliate marketing on YouTube, where I pretty much show you how to do a product review, how I rank my videos, all that. The other one is the passive YouTuber, where again I talk about product reviews and making money through affiliate marketing. So 2 great courses. One teaches you how to just do affiliate marketing. The other one teaches you affiliate marketing courses, coaching, stuff like that, and that is the passive YouTuber. So if you want to go learn any of those things, go check out those links down in the description box below. Now, here's what I like about the product review model, is you don't have to have all the different products that you review. You just don't. You can simply log into your computer. You don't see my computer, but it's sitting right here. Here it is, okay? So when I point over here, I'm talking about my computer, but you can log into your computer, right? And go onto Amazon. You can read the different product recommendations, their reviews, and that could be your product review. And you can put that on YouTube. You can do an article on your website. You can do a post on Facebook or Instagram, maybe a cool little TikTok video, something on Twitter. There's a bunch of options for you. So doing a product review is great. Now, what I personally like to do, I like to put my product reviews on one of 2 different places. One, it's either on YouTube. 2, it's on a website, a static website. The reason why I do this is because I want to make a passive income. If I'm constantly putting post after post after post on Instagram, is that passive? No, that's not passive. That's an active income. It takes you to actively promote this product to make money, which means it's not passive in any way. So if you want to be successful in creating a passive income using this business model, you're going to be more successful if you use YouTube or a website to promote your products. Whatever product it may be. It could be a software, could be a service, could be a physical product. Okay? But product reviews do really well to make you a passive income. The second business model that I highly recommend is a membership site. Now, I'm going to put a link down in the description box below to one of my membership sites, and it's called the Homemade Affiliate Academy. I'll also put a link to that as well, along with the discount code, so you don't have to pay full price. It'll take it from $25 down to $7, so $18 off for right now only. So, what you need to understand about a membership site is that if you have something you can teach, let's say you're going to teach people how to play the piano, you can run them through a course, you can run them through a free website, you can run them through a free YouTube video, or you can send them to a membership site where they learn along with you. Okay, you're teaching them step by step by step how to do something, and so they follow through like a membership, right? Just like you go to the gym, they're paying for what they get. So with a membership site, the nice thing about this is you can charge $1, you can charge $5. Like in my case, I'm going to charge $7 per month. You can charge $25, $100, $3,000 a month for a membership, depending on what it is you're teaching. Now, what I like personally about a membership site is that it fills the gap between free information somebody can get on YouTube and a full-on course where somebody needs to know all this stuff. That's great, but if they can pay a fraction of the course price, let's say it's a $500 course, they can pay $10 a month. I would much rather learn from a membership, because then I know, all right, this person knows their stuff. If I ever have questions, I just ask the questions inside the membership, which is essentially what you can do inside the Homemade Affiliate Academy. If you're not sure what the Homemade Affiliate Academy is, I talk about affiliate marketing, how to make money through social media through affiliate marketing. That's all we really do. Okay, so if you want to go check that out, again, I'll put a link to that down in the description box below. But what you need to know about a membership site and why it's a very good passive income is because you create all the stuff first. You create the majority of your membership up front. So that's where you're getting the majority of your income. But then you have to keep it active. You have to keep uploading new things, new modules, new bundles, new information inside your membership. And by doing that, that's what takes a little bit of the passiveness away from it. So now instead of 98% passive income, you're making like 90% passive. The other 10% is more active. So it's still a passive income, but you're mixing the two different income streams together, both passive and active. So why do I like this as a great option? Like I already mentioned, it's because it fills that void between free information and the higher end course. Okay, fills that void. And if you can do this, what happens is more and more people will sign up for this membership, and if they stay on long enough, they will pay more for memberships than they will for that full-on course. But they learn as they go. They learn as they progress. And that's a huge factor that a lot of people take into consideration when they're making any purchase. The third business model, one that I do all the time, I've been doing for years, is digital sales. Now, digital sales, for me in particular, are mainly ebooks and courses, online courses. Now, these are great passive income streams because you create the ebook or course one time and you can sell it once, you can sell it 5 times, you can sell it 10 times, you can sell it 100,000 times. Depending on how good your marketing is, how good your traffic sources are, how good you are at closing and making sales, you could make a lot of money off this. Or it could be a complete dud. Right? So what you need to understand about digital sales is you can create digital products. You can sell them over and over again. It's very inexpensive. It doesn't cost you anything because you don't have to store anything. Okay? Now I use a software called Kajabi, which is like $100 and something a month, $150 a month or something like that. So that's really the only cost when it comes to digital courses. But outside of that, there's really no cost. There's really no downside. So that's what I like about digital sales as a passive income stream. And the third business model is because anybody can create one. Anybody can create something based on what they know, based on their experience, and they can sell it. Let me give you an example. So I have a friend that is really good at roofing. If you don't know what roofing is, it's the thing above your house, it's the thing above your apartment, above your warehouse, your garage, your office, whatever you want to call it, right? So What you need to understand about roofing is there's many times where there's going to be leaks, there's going to be issues, there's going to be stuff like that. Now, what my friend decided to do was put together a little course on how to do roofing. But not just how to do any roofing, how to do 3-tab shingles, how to inspect your roofing, how to inspect for leaks, how to make repairs, simple things like that, and charged a couple $100 for this course. He did really well. A lot of people wanted this course. A lot of people still buy this course. He did this course years ago, and it's still making sales. The information is still accurate, it's still relevant, okay? Which means he can still make sales. That's the nice thing about a course, is you create it one time, which he did. You sell it over and over again, which he has been, and you keep making that passive income. Let me give you another example, one of mine. So years ago, I put together a course teaching people how to make $10,000 per month from a freelance writing business. And I show them how to outsource the majority of the task, how to outsource bidding on jobs, how to outsource managing those jobs, how to outsource the writing of the job, the editing of the job, right? Show them how to manage or do all that stuff inside this little course. This course was free for me, but it costs $40 for anybody that buys it. Okay, I've sold many of these. Okay, over thousands of dollars selling this course. This course probably took me about 2 to 3 hours to put together, and I sell it probably now, years later. I probably sell it maybe twice a week. Okay, $80 a week from something that I did years ago, and it's still relevant today. The exact steps, the exact process I'm showing inside this course still works to this day. So that's just another example of a digital sale, a digital product that continues to sell. So the 3 things that I recommend, 3 business models that you need to know and should implement into your business. Number 1 are product reviews. Number 2, a membership site. And number 3, digital sales. If you can do these 3 things, your passive income is going to be much higher than it would be without them. Now, I didn't go over any other business models besides these. There are other business models you can implement into your business. For example, sponsorships, advertising. Those are 2 that do really well. However, I didn't mention these because with sponsorships and advertising income, you usually need a decent amount of traffic. And if you're just starting out, you might not have it. Now, let's talk about 3 things you need to know about passive income. The number 1 thing is passive income is going to allow you more time in the end. The hard part about passive income is you're putting in all this time right now, and you think it's never going to end. I'm putting in 40 hours a week to put together this digital product, or 30 hours a week trying to update this membership site. It's just killing me. It's draining me. I'm so tired. I don't know if this is for me. Just know all the work is in the front, okay? You will get more time off in the end, but you have to build it first. You have to create some type of asset online, because if you don't create this asset, you're never going to get any sales. Nobody's ever going to buy that product. Nobody's ever going to see that review. Nobody's ever going to look at the membership site. Nobody's ever going to do it. All right? So that's the number 1 thing you should know. The second thing is when it comes to passive income online, everything is front loaded. What do I mean by that? When I say front loaded, I'm simply talking about all the work is done up front, like I already mentioned. Everything's done up front. You want to do product reviews on YouTube? Cool. I do that. It's a great business. It's very lucrative. However, you have to put in the work up front. You put in the work today and may not see any income for 3 or 4 weeks. There's some times where I do a video today, I won't see an income for about 2 months, just depending on how that affiliate product really pays out. Okay? There's other things there. I do a video today and I don't see an income for it ever. I never make an income from that video because the product just bombs. It tanks. Nobody wants it. The review was bad. So because of that, I don't make any income. Okay? I put out a membership site. Maybe nobody buys it. Okay? That's happened before. Maybe I put out a new course and 1 person buys it, but like 3 months later, okay, I make $200 off a course that spent me, I spent like 80, 100 hours trying to build, right? And nobody buys it. That's happened before. It doesn't happen anymore, but I think it was like my 3rd course, 4th course, maybe somewhere right around there. It happened. And I thought courses are not for me. Digital products, not for me. I can't do this again. But yet I did it again. Alright? So everything's front loaded. Understand that. Accept it. And realize you can make money. But all the work is front loaded. Okay? All the sales, all the income comes on the back end. So if you don't follow through 100%, you're not going to make any money. You just wasted your time. The third thing you need to know about passive income is the monthly income is not, and I repeat, is not guaranteed. Now, why do I mention this? I mention this simply because I have taught students to create online courses and sell those courses, make some money. And there was a time where I had a student that was making about $4,000 a month. And he did this consecutively for about 3 to 4 months. And so he just thought, okay, I'm making good money. I don't need to do as many YouTube videos. I don't need to do as many Instagram posts. I don't need to go on Facebook Lives anymore. I'm making good money. It's guaranteed. Guess what? He stopped doing all that stuff. He stopped doing the things that ran the engine. He stopped doing the things that drove his business. He stopped doing the things that brought in new viewers and new traffic to his business, to his different courses. And what happened was he went from making thousands of dollars a month. The next month, he made less than $1,000. The month after that, he made less than $100. The month after that, he came back to me and wondered what happened to his business. And I simply told him, and I was very blunt, very straightforward with him, you screwed it up. It was you that messed up your business. And it's simply because a lot of people think passive income is guaranteed. Passive income keeps going up. It never drops, right? Wrong. Passive income, if you don't put in a little bit of work, if you don't keep that engine running, okay, keep those clients coming in, your passive income will eventually drop. Okay, nobody is going to be, guaranteed a passive income. It just doesn't work like that. That's not the way passive income operates. So, if you're wondering, well, why should I get into passive income? Why don't I just stick to my 9-to-5 job? Well, if you're wondering that, you probably watched this video for the wrong reason. You probably watched this video thinking I'm going to give you some, quick and easy, fast scheme that's going to work. And these aren't fast. These aren't quick and easy. But it's a legitimate side hustle. It's a legitimate way to make money. Passive income online is not easy. Okay? It can be very difficult. But what you need to understand is passive income, when done correctly and using one of these 3 business models or another one that has been proven to work, it will continue to pay you as long as you're spending your time and you're focused on the right business activities. Again, I wouldn't be able to do any product reviews and sell products if I didn't continue to upload YouTube videos. I wouldn't be able to sell membership sites, membership, courses or platforms or anything like that if I wasn't constantly on YouTube and Instagram and Facebook and through email marketing. I wouldn't be able to do that. Okay? I couldn't sell courses if I wasn't always creating YouTube videos and blog posts and doing guest interviews and stuff like that. I wouldn't be able to do it. So because of that, I continue to do these certain activities that help propel my business forward. So, if you have any questions whatsoever on passive income, I'll try to help you out any way they can. All you gotta do, ask your questions down in the comment section below. But hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions whatsoever, again, ask your questions down in the comment section below. Check out some of the links if you want to join the passive YouTube, or you want to join affiliate marketing on YouTube, or you want to join the monthly membership group. Again, it's $7 as long as you use that link and the discount code down in the description box below, where you can learn how to do affiliate marketing. So if you want to do that, again, all the links that I mentioned are down in the description box below. So as always, thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it and you learned something, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.